Hey everyone, welcome to another video for the channel. The British have definitely caught on to how the motorcycling industry is moving today, and continue to surprise us with launches that are yielding excellent results in the market. After the enormous success of the Trident 660, Triumph decided to up the ante and launch a naked bike that promises to redefine the mid to high segment, the new Triumph Trident 800. A more powerful, more technological bike with an impactful visual presence. So, if you're bored of conventional bikes like the Yamaha MT-09 or the Kawasaki Z900, today we are going to present 7 powerful reasons to buy the new Triumph Trident 800. So get comfortable and prepare yourselves, because this British gem has a lot to offer. Let's get started. Reason number 1, the sporty DNA of its 798 cubic centimeter triple engine. The first reason is, without a doubt, its incredible engine. The Trident 800 is equipped with a 798 cubic centimeter 3-cylinder engine capable of delivering 113 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute and 84 newton-meters of torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute. This engine is the essence of Triumph, a perfect balance between the power of a 4-cylinder and the instantaneous torque of a twin-cylinder. The result is an explosive, smooth bike with an unmistakable sound, that deep, elegant roar that only a triple can offer. And the most interesting thing is how it delivers the power. Linear, full from the bottom end, and capable of thrilling you from the first twist of the throttle. Reason number 2. Agile and precise handling, the perfect balance. The new Trident 800 is designed to be agile, easy to control, and incredibly fun. Its tubular steel chassis, low center of gravity, and a wet weight of just 198 kilograms make the bike feel light and responsive. Up front, it features fully adjustable 41mm Showa inverted forks with 120mm of travel, paired with an adjustable rear monoshock offering 130mm of travel. This is a bike that practically leans itself into curves, feeling stable and precise throughout. It is a setup designed for riders who seek control without sacrificing sportiness. Reason number 3. Top-tier braking and safety. The Trident 800 features a premium braking system. Up front, it sports dual 310mm discs with 4-piston radial calipers and a 220mm disc at the rear, all equipped with braided brake lines. Adding to this is an optimized cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control. 2 rider aids that make a genuine difference in emergency situations or during spirited highway riding. It doesn't just brake well, it brakes intelligently, anticipating the bike's behavior based on its lean angle. This is technology typically found on high-end motorcycles. Reason number 4. Comprehensive and modern electronics. Triumph has equipped the Trident 800 with a very comprehensive electronics package. It includes 3 riding modes, Rain, Road, and Sport, which adjust throttle response and traction control intervention. It also features cruise control and a bi-directional quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, a detail that completely transforms the riding experience. Additionally, it incorporates the My Triumph connectivity system, allowing you to access bike data, GPS navigation, and control music, calls, and phone functions directly from the motorcycle. All of this is displayed on a color TFT dashboard that is compact, modern, and easy to read. Reason number 5. A neo-retro design that steals the show. The new Trident 800 is, visually, a spectacular motorcycle. It retains the minimalist and elegant essence of Triumph, but with a more muscular and sporty touch. The 14-liter tank with defined lines, the aluminum finishes, the round headlight with full LED lighting, the short tail, and the side exhaust system create a modern and aggressive presence without losing that distinctive British style. It's a motorcycle that looks premium, feels high quality, and is clearly made to stand out everywhere. Reason number 6. Comfort and ergonomics for daily use. Despite its power and sporty nature, the Trident 800 is surprisingly comfortable. Its riding position is natural, slightly leaned forward yet without straining the back, making it perfect for both the city and the highway. The seat height is 810 millimeters, making it suitable even for riders who aren't very tall. The suspension absorbs road imperfections well, and the bike does not feel intimidating in traffic. It is a naked bike built for everyday use, for short or long trips, and to be enjoyed even within the city. Reason number 7, the best price-performance ratio in the segment. And reason number 7, its price-to-performance ratio. The Trident 800 arrives in 2026 to position itself among bikes like the Yamaha MT-09, the KTM Duke 790, or the Kawasaki Z900, but with a key advantage. It offers a balance of power, technology, design, quality, and British backing. It has already been announced in Europe and is available starting at €10,300, making it significantly more affordable than a Triumph Street Triple, yet offering top-tier equipment that competes directly with more expensive motorcycles. In short, the brand has created a bike that could be the new queen of the category, outperforming even its direct Asian rivals. In conclusion, the new Triumph Trident 800 is a true evolution of the Trident 660. It is a much more powerful and modern bike with a more attractive design. Ultimately, this manufacturer is proving they have a clear strategy to grow stronger in the market, refusing to be intimidated by the super powerful Japanese models or the cheaper Chinese bikes. So, if you are looking for a fun, balanced, and safe bike with a unique personality, this British machine might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching until the end. I'm leaving a link here to a video about the new Royal Enfield Himalayan 750, which we expect to hit the market in 2026, so go check it out. As always, remember to hit like, leave a comment letting me know what you think of this new Trident 800, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.